Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve Roblox voice data uses option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Open on Play Store, search Roblox app, update Roblox app if showing Play Store or App Store. Tap on hold Roblox app, click on app info, tap on storage and cache, tap on storage, tap on delete. Now go to Roblox app, click on more option, scroll down, tap on setting, tap on privacy, content and restriction, click on communication, tap on voice data uses. Now voice data uses option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.